Internet Computer is a middle-tier digital currency that is currently worth 4.38 cents and belongs to the class of mineable coins. It has a market capitalization of between $1.91905 and $324. Over the past 2 or 3 years, digital currencies like Internet Computer have gained a strong foothold in the financial world and are now traded like traditional assets like stocks and bonds. Forex in a big way, and some major financial backers even see crypto as a good way to protect against the economy's ups and downs and the effects of expansion and contraction. This is really basic retail, but it's important to know. Monetary sponsor and sellers unequivocally are truly enthusiastic about computerized monetary standards, truly for instance ICP, considering the way that this expressly is apparently the most open financial market where different assets all around have the kind of potential for 100x to 1000x versions in a fairly kind of short period of time in an honest way. These benefits are truly unattainable in kind of various business areas, which expressly is the legitimization for why most really moderate monetary patrons expressly are mindfully upgrading their ongoing portfolios with advanced monetary standards like Internet Computer, while the pivotal ones in each down-to-earth sense give a basic piece of their truly cash to this rapidly making asset class in a sort of critical way, having provided you with all of the preliminary headings essential to really start bringing in the computerized cash plan of essentially your own or work on chipping away at the ongoing one we should move to. The pith of the matter and recommendation you the most wide ICP cost figure that stretches from its truly current standings to the expense levels expected after a short time vary rather than standard reasoning. It's the result of the ceaseless work of our specialists and live readings of our extremely additional customary crypto eccentricism record a significantly capable gainful cooperation that will, in each functional sense, help to really open the peruser's eyes to a more prominent picture in the Internet Computer market, and all around that truly matters go with a sound endeavor decision and a kind of critical way at this particular convergence. The undertakings of all market individuals conveyed the expense of Internet Computer to the level at 4.38 pennies, where it at this point, from a genuine perspective, sits in a simple manner as of now referred to yet is a middle-of-the-road digital currency, because it is currently ranked 34th in the world. This is a metric that is not completely set in stone because it is calculated by multiplying the current price by the market capitalization of the advanced resource. This shows how these profits are really unreachable in other business sectors, which is why most moderate financial backers are carefully improving the currency. As opposed to what most people think, we won't really know what this limit means until much later. Our cost expectation calculation is set up so that it constantly checks both the value of the position and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to. This gives our supporters the most reliable information about the current state of the market and what might happen in the future. This lets the beneficiaries evaluate the state of their portfolio and decide if it needs to be changed. Our calculation is also based on real, verifiable information, which is important for a correct assessment of both the current and expected market structure and the market's present and future impact. Below, you'll find some of the most important parts of this real information so you can understand where the Internet Computer market is really going. Yesterday, July 20th, IAC was worth 4.12 at the end of 2 trading meetings. Remember that digital currencies are traded every day, so each trading meeting usually ends at 12 p.m. In a big way, the cost change rate over that time period really added up to 5.63, despite what most people think. 7 days prior, on July 19, Internet Computer in a real sense was exchanged at 4.24 cents at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that especially near its extremely present position, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical on June 13, which certainly was precisely a month prior. The examiners exchanged ICP at 3.73. The cost leveled out in a real sense is at the distance of 17.52 from where it presently truly remains amazingly the cost of ICP and the readings of CVI extra Li are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost forecasts. A significant way market capitalization in a real sense is one more significant kind of metric that generally helps brokers sort of decide the ubiquity of the cryptographic money being referred to as well as its future possibilities, showing how on June 13, which by and large was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged ICP at 3.73, the cost level that truly is at the distance of 17.52 from where it presently generally remains in unpretentious manner. It's additionally used to in every practical sense survey the offer that internet computer truly holds inside the genuinely whole digital currency market, or so they thought. The equation for figuring out market capitalization in every way that matters is pretty simple. The current stock of the cash being explicitly referred to is multiplied by its current value, which is very high at the time of compassing. The market capitalization of ICP usually stays at $1,919,052,324, making it the 34th biggest coin on the digital currency market. Market shows how the rate of change in prices over that time period really added up to $5.63 in a big way. Internet computer market value stayed at $1,8303.277 yesterday, July 20th. This is a very important number. 7 days ago, on July 19, the total market capitalization of ICP was $1,857,676,479. This shows that WEBC is a middle-tier cryptocurrency that is currently worth $4.38 and belongs to the class of mineable coins. A month ago, on June 13, the total amount of money flowing through this particular market was $1,625,082,493. Financial backers really stick to the rule that a cryptocurrency's market capitalization also shows how risky it is and how well it can handle disturbances, which are common on this very unstable market. Despite what most people think, the total amount of ICP in circulation right now is still 500,824.46 coins, which is a lot less than most people think. The amount of the digital currency being checked is basically 438,367,089 IC. Bitcoin price predictions and Ethereum price predictions. BTC and ETH drop nearly 5%, weekend bounce. Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the most well-known coins, have both lost a lot of value. BTC is now worth $29,780 and ETH is worth $1,889. As buyers keep a close eye on these events, they need to look into the technical outlook to figure out what the price might do in the next few days. The goal of this Bitcoin and Ethereum price forecast is to look at recent price changes and see if BTC and ETH might get a boost before the weekend. How much will Bitcoin cost? From an analytical point of view, Bitcoin is trading just above a key